So next, what we're going to do is duplicate this slice again. So we'll do Shift D. Now we've got another one. And I'm just going to hit Escape. So it's right on top of the previous one. I'm going to hit R to rotate on the Y axis 90 degrees. And now we've got another slicer here. And the same thing we did last time. Just make sure you have your slicer object selected first. Then shift click on the object you want to slice. And then you can do Control / on the numpad. Whoop, and there we go. We got a little slice. And then the third step is very important, is to remember to just click on the slice. So just click until you see that slice, and you can see it's kind of like almost like those 3D puzzles or something. There's a little slice in there, and that's what we want to delete. So make sure you have that selected, and then hit X and delete it. And there we go. So now we got another slice. We can grab that little plane there and do G and Z, and move that however we want it to be. I'm going to do something like that. And let's do one more. I'm going to put one right through the head here. So let's just duplicate this one again. And I'm going to go ahead and save just out of habit. And let's do Shift D to duplicate. So now we've got a duplicate. And then while we're moving around, you can hit Escape. And that will drop it right back on top. And now we can do R to rotate, Z. And let's just do 90. So we just rotated 90 degrees on the Z axis. And we're going to do the same thing. Just make sure you have your new slicer plane. Shift click on the monkey head. And then we're going to do Control / on the numpad. And there we go. So now we've got a slice. Select your little slice there. Make sure you get it. So see how it's kind of like just the slice right there in her head, the little circle there. And now we can hit X to delete it. You got it. So there we go. And now you can move these around all willy-nilly, anywhere you want to place your slices, and move them around depending on what you want to do. You could do zigzag planes, anything really. I mean, my lover later, Amber, she's my co-captain here at Print That Thing, and she uses the slicing technique all the time to make really cool, really awesome designs. So feel free to use this any way you want. I'm going to maybe move these up just a little bit. Right there. So we got nice even. Go to side view. And just kind of make all my slices kind of even. G and Z.